Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Tap on that and right now you can see that your notification sound is droplets. Tap here to change that and you can change it to this one. Also you can tap here to the more. And you can choose from your local ringtone from your phone, for example, or from the online ringtones, available online ringtones. For example, I will just select one from these notification sounds. For example, I'll switch it to the radar, and now if you will go back, you can see that your notification sound has changed successfully to the radar. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.